In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions between clips in Kapwing. Whether you're putting together a quick social media clip or working on a more in-depth video project, transitions can play a key role in maintaining the viewer's interest and providing a cohesive flow from one clip to the next. We'll be walking through this process step by step, so let's dive in. First, if you haven't already done so, you'll need to navigate to Kapwing's website. You can access it by typing kapwing.com into your web browser's address bar. Kapwing is a fantastic online tool for video editing that can help you create more content in less time, thanks to its user-friendly interface and robust set of features. Once you're on the Kapwing homepage, you'll notice a Sign In option at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't already have an account, it's simple to create one, but for today's purposes, we'll assume you do. Next, sign in using your Google account. Simply click on Sign In with Google and then choose the Google account you'd like to use. This makes the login process quick and seamless, connecting you directly to your Kapwing account without having to enter additional information. Now that you're signed in, you have access to all your video projects. Locate the project you want to edit and open it. Once your project is open, identify the clip to which you'd like to add transitions. Just click on that particular clip within your timeline or sequence. With your clip selected, you'll see various options appear. Look for the Transitions tab in the editing panel. Clicking on this tab will present you with a variety of transition effects. Here you have the creative freedom to choose the transition that best suits your project. Explore the different effects available, whether you prefer a simple crossfade or something more dynamic. There should be options to fit your vision. After picking your desired effect, you will need to decide how it should be applied to your clip. You can choose an intro effect to start the clip, an outro effect to bridge to the next clip, or apply transitions for both. This flexibility allows you to customize each transition to suit the pacing and mood of your video, helping you maintain the narrative flow that keeps viewers engaged. That's it. You've successfully added transitions between clips in your project. Adding transitions can transform the way your video resonates with viewers, providing a polished, professional touch in just a few simple steps. Keep experimenting with different transitions and have fun as you continue to develop your video editing skills. Thanks for watching and happy editing!